1, 2, 3. Hey guys, what's up? So today I have the girlies with me, and you guys are probably super familiar with this little girl right here because she's done quite a few videos with me because she's a little bit older. Zara's a little bit fresh on my channel because she's been a little younger and, you know, didn't really want to participate in the video stuff. But she's super excited. Kenzie's super excited about doing my makeup today, so I'm just out here with a fresh face, ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and get some makeup products picked out real quick, and we're gonna come back and beat this face.
Yeah.
Alright you guys, I got some bad news. The intro song got copyrighted. I know, I'm so sorry if you wanted to twerk right now. My apologies. We'll get it fixed. We'll get a new one. What's up? Alright, enjoy the video. Kenzie's decided that she's gonna start off with eyes and Zara's gonna start off with face. She's really excited to put this Makeup Forever stick on me for some reason. She's been like waiting her whole lifetime to do this, so she's gonna do face. We're 5 seconds into the video, somebody already got makeup on her shirt, so that's my daughter for sure.
Okay, I know what to do.
Alright, Zara, put some foundation over here.
Okay, open your eye. I'm gonna do the bottom. It looks like good. That's good, oh my god. Oh, sorry.
Alright, there we go. Let's put the lid on.
Here, mommy. Mama.
Here. Boop.
Let me see the other.
Now rub it in. Wait, which one? Do I close or open? Is it all blended in?
No.
You guys want to switch real quick?
Yeah.
Okay. Whoa, that's aggressive. You're gonna rip my wig off.
I'm not. I'm holding it.
No, that goes on my eyes.
Right here. Do it right on here.
There we go. Good.
Even on the bottom. Tell her to open it when you're done.
No. It doesn't go on my forehead.
I'm gonna try again.
It goes in my eye. Yeah, there you go.
I'm gonna use this purple stuff. Let me go for the light purple. I know it's very dusty.
It's dusty?
No, open your eyes. That's a good color. Red and pink really go together. Let me try to do something.
She called the palette dusty. I'm still stuck on that.
I'm like a child. You're like a child. Mom, you're like a child.
I am? What do you mean?
Oh, now
You're making me look young?
Look good with the red on you. Mom, close your eyes. Let me get my purple brush again.
Is somebody gonna do my eyebrows?
I want the pink, Mama.
Yeah, let's keep it symmetrical. Let's keep it cute.
We always keep it cute.
You guys want to do cheeks? Here, look. Nope. Hold on.
Oh, they're gonna look so good on you. Oh my god, you're like a brave child. Look at me. What's up? It looks so
Sorry.
Okay.
Okay, be very careful. This is that Anastasia. This is real bougie over here, okay?
Wait, what's that?
It goes all right here.
All right here.
Good job.
All
And on my cheeks.
right. Even on the forehead.
My neck.
I know how to do eyebrows.
So Zara's got my bronze going over here. I got that Fenty Glow. Here, fart on me? So. Oh my god! What do you just do? It's not funny!
Mom, no. Mom, no. Stand here.
Oh, you showing me my face? Ooh. Ooh, yeah, that's a brow right there, girl. I can smell your fart that you did.
Ew.
That is for your eyebrows. You brush them. You're crazy.
Just brush it.
Who wants to put highlight on me?
I want to do it.
Okay, there we go. That's perfect. Cheekbones.
I know. Okay. You make me get in your way.
I made you. Danger, danger.
I know how to do this. Okay, I missed it. That. I did it really perfectly.
Did you?
Yeah, but I missed it.
Just a little bit though? It's okay.
Okay, follow the lines, okay? Oh.
No! I don't know where this is going, but I feel like it's going downhill. I'm being attacked! Zara's like, Chucky! Oh my god!
Chucky!
You guys! Okay! Why you got your arms in the air like that? I'm trying to block you!
Oh my god.
We're gonna set my face real quick. We're gonna do a little bake. So I'm gonna take some little Laura Mercier setting powder here.
I never tried that before. What's it before?
It's for under my eyes. You're gonna go like this and you're gonna pat it on.
You're yeah. Mom! You're lucky.
Let's be real careful with mommy's eyes, okay? Because mommy has to be able to see with them.
Your eyes so I can. Mommy, you're looking.
No, eyelashes, baby. These ones.
So I can't.
Okay, this is not working. I don't know about this part. Don't you dare put a mustache on me. I know what you're gonna do. Don't you dare do that.
Okay.
Don't! You let go of my finger.
Open it! Mom.
No, okay, we're done. Mascara's done. Realize we set our face or try to do like a little bake without even putting concealer on, so we're gonna go back in and put concealer on now. Or else I'm gonna look real tired because you guys have me staying up all night long.
Like this, no, I need more. It's like a skeleton. No, let me put these.
I'm so scared. Anything by my eyes is freaking me out.
Chin chin. Yeah, get the chin. Tap tap tap.
We're not really doing this stuff in the proper order.
I didn't have makeup on me.
Kenzie's got the lashes over here, so she's in charge of the lashes. I'm gonna put a little bit of eyelash glue on here for them, and these are from Batty B. These are the Sugar Baby lashes. And I do have a code, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the screen if you guys want to save a little. Sugar Baby.
Mom,
I'm not gonna
baby.
explain to you what that is right now.
You're not a sugar baby.
I know I'm not.
You're not.
I'm an independent woman. I'm gonna grab it, and you guys are gonna put it right where my eyelashes are. Just like pin the tail on the donkey.
Want me to help you?
There you go.
I did it perfectly.
Does it look good?
Yeah. I can see a little bit under your eyelash.
Does it look like how it looks when I do them?
Yeah.
Apparently we're doing a little rainbow lip look, so let's go ahead and see what they got.
Okay, let me do eyelash. Oh my god. Can I have that one? It looks so cute. Okay, here. Do you like this color? This is good. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Thank you.
That's gonna be a rainbow color. Okay, I'm done with this. You look so good now!
I'm expecting a lot from the same person that did this right here. Who snuck and did this in my closet? Keep in mind I had no idea that was being done. So someone snuck into my makeup and hid that behind my clothes in my closet. Explain that.
Did you find it?
Yes, I did.
How did you do that?
I was looking for clothes and it was just back there and I'm like, okay, what is this?
It's me. What
Hi.
Oh my god.
Alright you guys, so it is the final reveal time. I'm gonna take a look and see what's popping on my face. Wow. Wow, work the wing. This lash actually looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. That looks actually, it's on there pretty
Even the
good.
other one too.
Even the other one too. So we got a little pop-in lip going on. We've got a little brow action. I think maybe we'll have them redo this in like a year or two and see what changes or what progress they make. So I think that would be kind of fun. Is there anything you guys want to say to the people before we're done?
Yep, whoever's watching this, soon I'm gonna have a new YouTube channel, and subscribe to this channel, and hit that thumbs up button. Mommy let us do her makeup right now, but you subscribe and button and channel. Bye!
Alright you guys, so that's it for this video. We hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.
Bye!